Hello everyone. Today we are solving a problem of converting a number from one base to another base. This is a description of the problem converting a number from one base to another base. We are given a number first base, second base. Convert the number from first base to second base and we are printing the output in second base. If the number for a base is invalid, then print error. First, let me explain the problem with a small example. Here we are giving three inputs in the same line. The first input is 20, second input is source base, then third input is target base. Now we are converting the 20 from source base 10 to target base 2. First we should validate whether the two bases are valid or not. The two bases should be in between 2 and 10, so they are valid. Next, the given input is in decimal form, that is base 10. So it is a valid input. Next, we are converting the decimal to binary. So we are converting 20 to binary format. So we repeatedly divide the number 20 by the base given 2 and we are storing the reminders and we are printing the reminders in reverse order. That is the output 10100. Now coming to the code explanation, first we are importing a scanner class to read input from the user, and this is the main class solution and this is the entry point of the solution. Next, we created a scanner object to read input from the user. We are reading the input in string format, which is the number to be converted, and we are reading the two bases in integer format. Next, we are initiating the try block to handle the exceptions. Here we are calling a method is valid for base to check if the given input is valid for the given base. If it is invalid, it will print error and it will exit the program. Next, we are converting the given number to a decimal format using Integer.parseInt. Next, we are calling a method convert to base, which is to convert to the target base of the given input. Next, we are storing the result in result. Next, we are printing the result. The result is the actual output, which is the converted number. Next, catch block is to handle the exceptions for any invalid inputs or during the conversions. Next, we created two helper methods. First one is valid for base. In this method, we are validating the input of the specified base. We are checking the each character converted into digit. If it's an invalid character, then it returns false. Otherwise, it returns true. The next helper method is convert to base. It is convert the given input to the target base output. Here, if the decimal is greater than 0, then only it runs. If it is not, then it runs 0. Next, we are creating a StringBuilder object to provide an efficient output. Here, the while loop runs. The given input is repeatedly divided by the base, target base, then storing the remainder and adding it to the beginning of the result, and again dividing the number to the base for next iteration, and finally converting the string builder to string and returning it. Then finally we can get the output in the target base form. So hence we converted the given number from one base to another base through this program. Thank you for watching.